This is the installation video for the BUMPTEK FlexyGuard and BUMPTEK RhinoGuard stick-on corner bumper guards. For demonstration purposes, I'll be installing a RhinoGuard medium size, but the installation is the same for all stick-on bumper guards. Corner bumper guards were designed to stick to painted surfaces such as this. Do not recommend this product for unpainted parts of the bumper because the adhesive may not stick to this unpainted rubber surface. For best adhesion, the ideal installation temperature should be at least 68 degrees Fahrenheit or warmer. If the outside temperature is cooler or below 68 degrees Fahrenheit, it's best to install the product in an indoor heated space because adhesives are less tacky when cold and when attaching to cold surfaces. Step 1. Wash your vehicle before installing. The installation area must be clean, dry, and wax-free. Step number 2. Do a dry run by placing the product against the bumper and make sure there is enough clearance. Do not block the parking sensors. Stick-on bumper guards install best on rounded surfaces or flat surfaces. It will not work well on 90-degree, sharply angled bumpers. For a level installation, we recommend using masking tape to mark the desired install location. I like to wrap the masking tape around the bumper and continue around to the other side. This will give me a good reference line and will ensure I mount the products level on both sides. No tape, no worries. If you have a good eye and good visual perception, you could simply use a crease in the bodywork as a reference point. Use that to ensure a perfectly level installation. Simply peel off the adhesive liner. Make sure to hold the product from the sides to avoid contaminating it with your fingers. Also, be careful not to drop the product on the ground. In this case, I'll be installing the product directly below the tape. Attach the product gently to the bumper. Do not press down firmly at this point, or it may be difficult to reposition if you need to. Stand back, make sure the product is perfectly straight. If needed, adjust it, and then reposition. When you're satisfied with the positioning, press down firmly all around the perimeter of the product to ensure a tight seal. Visually inspect to make sure that the adhesive is in full contact with the bumper and that there are no gaps. Now stand back and admire your awesome installation. Please note, after an installation, do not wash your vehicle or exposed terrain for 24 hours. This will give the pressure-sensitive adhesive enough time to bond. Thank you for watching. Please check out the full line of BUMPTEK accessories, including our stick-on rear bumper guards available in 3 sizes, the popular plate pocket license plate frame front bumper guard, and the new hitch hammer rear bumper guard for vehicles equipped with hitch receivers, compresses on impact to absorb parking related bumps. And if you have any questions, please reach out. We are always happy to help.